when I was going in this video, I'm going to show you to turn on and off airplane mode for your iPhone. So go ahead and just open up the quick settings. So top right corner, you see the data, Wi-Fi, batteries. Just tap on that and hold and scroll down, move it down, and you'll open up those quick settings that it shows here. So as you can see, the quick settings, and from here, you're going to see the airplane icon as one of the first options. It should come up here in that little area in the top left, and you can tap that open and you can see airplane mode. You can just click on it and turn it on, and you see the airplane icon. This will take you off of data and Wi-Fi, so you can't use data or Wi-Fi. For example, if I go into YouTube, you're going to say I'm offline, but usually you want to use airplane mode when obviously you're on a plane or you're trying to fix your connection because it's not working properly. You can toggle the airplane mode on and off just by quickly tapping on the button here, the airplane button, which will easily toggle off and on airplane mode. You also go into the settings, and one of the first options is airplane mode. As you can see, it's off again. This is another way to do it is through the settings app. Just tap on that, activate it, and it's green. That means you activated airplane mode. Then you just tap it again and turn it off, disable it, and then you have your Wi-Fi data again. So that's how you do that. Subscribe to the channel, smash the like button. I'll see you guys next time.